the end of the year.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today is a great day because Joe and I are going to decorate the house. Are you excited?
Yeah. Get that tree.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started and I will check back in later. Bye.
Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is
And now it's time for the lighting of the tree. Oh, here he comes. Anyways, now that everything is decorated, Joe and I are gonna whip up some chai sugar cookies, inspired by T. Swift. Very exciting. Yeah, we have a party, and when you have a party, you must bring cookies. Right?
And milk.
And not milk. Gross.
you, darling, you, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is if Santa read his letters, he will know that my wish ever since I remember has been the mistletoe kiss. I'll keep on writing letters, I'll keep on dreaming away in the waiting every holiday till the day I can say I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the.
Hey, so we're back from our holiday party, and it is the next day, and it was super fun. But anyway, I just wanted to check out. I hope you guys had fun decorating with us, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh